Today we're going to review from Abstract Ocean brushed steel sill protection. These ones are for the trunk area. This one is for the left. You'll see the 3M tape adhesive on the back. We'll take these and open them up and we'll do a test dry fit. Okay, take this and place it on the left side. Push it in from the center where the latch is. Make sure for a tight and flush fit. Looks like everything fits well. Now we'll take the right side, take it out of the package for a dry fit test. Again, the 3M adhesive tape on the back. Place on the right hand side, lining with the indentation. Now from the center, push to the right to make sure it's flush. Make sure it's in and aligned well. And that is it for the dry run. Check to see where you need to apply the 3M adhesion promoter. You can do this by looking at the 3M tape to where it will be on the plastic piece. Apply generously. Also note that this adhesion promoter is also very sticky and it will adhere to your hands and make things like pulling off the 3M tape a little more difficult. Once the promoter has been removed from the applicator, it'll dry out and you'll be able to place your piece on. Now in this video we also did the left hand side. If you're not comfortable with that, you could go ahead and just do one piece at a time, doing the adhesive promoter, then sticking on the piece, then moving on to the next one. But for this demonstration, we'll do both at the same time. Again, make sure you get all the adhesive promoter off of the applicator. And now remove the 3M tape cover. Again, this could be a little challenging with hands being covered with 3M applicator. Now place the sill application down. Make sure that you're aligned and flush before putting a lot of pressure on this to have it seal. Once you start, it's kind of hard to pick it back up and remove to get a good seal. So that's why we did a lot of fitment with the dry installation. I'm holding it down for a few seconds to make sure it applies and there is no give. Trunk is nice and solid, so you can push down pretty good and hold it. Now for the left side, repeat the same process. Start in at the latch housing, push down so it's flush. Now push down on the sill to apply pressure and promote adhesion. Okay. Once you feel that you have it on there, you can go ahead and test closing your trunk lid. Make sure there's no issues as far as closing it. I have noted, since it has been completed, that there's a little more force required to close the trunk lid compared to without the sill protection. Moving to the front, we'll do a quick test dry run. We'll have the brushed steel plate, 3M tape on the back that need removed to apply, and we have a packet of adhesion promoter. We'll wipe this down to apply and stick on top. Okay, take the adhesion promoter, take it out, and we'll apply it to the area that the plate will be going on. Make sure to get around all the edges. And use all the promoter as possible. It's on the application pad. Again, this will make your fingers sticky. Now we'll want to go ahead and get ready to remove the tape. Okay, remove the red topping of the tape. Once you have all four off, we'll be able to place on top and make sure it's centered before pushing down. Again, your fingers will become very sticky, so this could be difficult. You may need to wash your fingers before doing this step if you did the trunk first. With the 3M tape exposed, we're ready now to place it on top of the front latch. Line everything up. Start against the back edge, bring it down, don't push down yet. Want to check for the center, you can put your finger in the center and feel the sides of the latch, make sure you're good, and push down. Apply some pressure to make sure that you have a good connection and it's going to adhere correctly. And we'll go ahead and check. Got a good tight fit. Put your finger in, you can feel the plastic around the brush seal. So we got a good centered fit on this. That should do it for your installation. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button down below and also hit the notifications to be alerted when new videos are released. Thank you very much.